2025, developers face a world of endless possibilities. Imagine deploying a full-stack application without spending a cent. Thanks to the growing ecosystem of free European Union-based cloud services, this is now a reality. This video serves as your guide to achieving this. By utilizing EU-first tools, you can build, deploy, and manage applications effectively at zero cost. Together, we'll explore hosting frontends, managing backends, setting up databases, and implementing CI/CD pipelines. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, this tutorial will show you how to harness EU cloud services to create innovative projects. Discover the tools and techniques that make this possible, and see how the EU is shaping the future of accessible app deployment. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of free EU cloud solutions. The journey starts now. Let's begin by deploying your front end. Scaleway's object storage is ideal for hosting React or Vue applications. Upload your build files to a public bucket and set your index.html as the default page. For custom branding, configure your domain name directly through Scaleway's settings. Best of all, Scaleway's free tier offers up to 75 gigabytes of egress traffic at no cost, allowing you to serve your app to users without bandwidth expenses. This is a robust, cost-effective solution for hosting front-end applications efficiently. With your front-end live, it's ready to integrate with the rest of your stack. Next, we'll explore back-end deployment. Now let's focus on deploying your back-end using free EU-based cloud services. Scaleway Functions provides a seamless serverless experience, enabling quick deployment without managing servers. Alternatively, Railway offers another user-friendly platform with free tier offerings in the EU. For those seeking full control over their environment, deploying Docker containers on providers like Exoscale or OVHcloud is an excellent choice. Both offer trial credits for efficient and scalable deployments. These options allow developers to tailor back-end infrastructure to their specific needs while utilizing cost-effective EU solutions. Once your back-end is live, you're ready to integrate additional components. Next, we'll explore setting up databases to complement your back-end. Let's move on to setting up your database. For an efficient and cost-effective option, Neon's free-tier PostgreSQL database offers 10 gigabytes of storage, perfect for small to medium-sized applications. For greater control, consider deploying PostgreSQL on virtual machines from Hetzner or OVHcloud, both offering competitive pricing and robust EU-based infrastructure. Tools like Docker or Ansible simplify deployment, ensuring quick and consistent configurations. These options provide a reliable database foundation without significant costs, all within the EU cloud ecosystem. Ready to integrate your database with the rest of your stack? Let's move on to CI/CD integration to streamline your development workflow. Now let's set up a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions or GitLab, both excellent tools for automating deployments. To ensure compliance and better control, host your runners on EU-based virtual machines. This approach aligns with regional data requirements and provides granular control over your build environment. GitHub Actions offers seamless integration, while GitLab provides a comprehensive suite of DevOps tools. By configuring your pipeline, you can automate testing, building, and deploying efficiently. Hosting runners on EU-based VMs ensures secure and efficient operations within the European cloud ecosystem. Next, we'll explore tools for monitoring and analyzing your application's performance using EU-based services. Monitoring and analytics are essential for effective app management. In this segment, we'll explore two EU-based tools that prioritize functionality and data privacy. Plausible Analytics is a lightweight solution for tracking website traffic while respecting privacy. Its intuitive interface provides actionable insights to enhance app performance. Uptime Kuma, a self-hosted monitoring tool, tracks service uptime with customizable alerts and a sleek dashboard keeping you informed about your app's health. Both tools are open source and align with the ethos of cost-effective, transparent solutions in the EU. By integrating Plausible Analytics and Uptime Kuma, you enhance your app's capabilities while embracing privacy-focused tools. Ready to elevate your app management? Let's see how these tools integrate seamlessly into your deployment strategy. Container orchestration is vital for modern application deployment, and OVHcloud offers a robust, cost-effective solution tailored to the EU ecosystem. With OVHcloud's free Kubernetes control plane, developers can streamline operations without incurring additional management costs, focusing on scaling applications efficiently. Utilizing small virtual machines, you pay only for the resources used, making it an affordable option for deploying complex workloads. Whether managing microservices or scaling full-stack applications, OVHcloud enables high performance without exceeding your budget. Leverage Kubernetes to elevate your cloud strategy. Next, we'll discuss integrating and securing your application using EU-based tools. Now, let's bring everything together, ensuring seamless integration and robust security for your application. Start by using Docker to unify the components of your app. Docker ensures consistency and compatibility across environments. Enhance security with reverse proxy solutions like Caddy or Traefik, which efficiently manage HTTP requests and automate SSL certificate management. Finally, manage DNS configurations with EU-based providers such as Gandhi or Infomaniac, offering robust tools for maintaining domain settings. By leveraging these European tools, your application achieves functionality, security, and integration. With these steps, your app is built on a solid foundation, ready to serve users effectively. Next, we'll discuss maximizing the EU cloud ecosystem to tailor your stack to your needs. The EU cloud ecosystem offers robust free tools and services tailored to meet your development needs. This is your chance to innovate and build applications with cost efficiency and sovereignty. With the solutions in this guide, you have everything needed to create a full-stack application: front-end, back-end, databases, CI/CD pipelines, and more, entirely within the EU. The question is, what will you create? Explore the possibilities, experiment with the tools, and push the boundaries of what's possible with EU-based services. Begin your journey today and build a stack for a more independent digital future. As we conclude, we'd love to hear from you. What stack ideas do you have using these free EU cloud services to maximize your development potential with EU-first tools? Let's build a community of developers exploring cost-effective, innovative solutions together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.